In Woodhaven, New York, this woman is being followed by a guy, and it's super creepy. In Omaha, Nebraska, these two guys showed up claiming the homeowner sold their brother an empty box instead of headphones, and let's just say Big Bro isn't happy. Let's see how this tense situation plays out.
Hey, y'all just scammed my little brother. He just paid for some beef, and y'all gave him $50 money.
You don't know the address, man.
What you mean? No, this is the address he gave us, cuz. Man.
Who are you looking for?
Man, y'all just sold my little brother some headphones. And y'all gave him an empty box.
I got no idea what you're talking about.
You know what we talking about. Are you white or black? Chill. Chill. We just want our bread. Alright. We want our money. On the damn look. On the damn look. Alright.
In Atlanta, Georgia, even a pillow isn't safe out here. Seriously, what's next? Like, subscribe, and let's dive into some of the wildest doorbell cam moments. Let's go.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
In Albuquerque, New Mexico, these folks are cruising through the neighborhood, scouting for any packages to snatch. Watch your porches.
They moved it now. He ain't even. He keep moving her. Where's she at? Where Isla? Where is Isla? Where is the little girl that belongs to Dennis Earl William James? No, he playing like he don't know. No one better to come to this house. He's raping her and raping her breeding love. I'm not drunk.
In Columbus, Ohio, she's definitely at the wrong house, and maybe on something too. Yikes. In Columbus, Ohio, here's another late-night creepy handle Carl, showing up at 3 a.m., trying to get in and disturbing the homeowner. Lock those doors.
Wow. This is stupid. Come on, man. Come on, man. This is stupid. This is stupid. Bull. Wow.
In Newark, New Jersey, a little tip. Always grab your mail on time or sneaky envelope Emma might beat you to it. In New Orleans, Louisiana, this sneaky dude's trying the doorknob and peeking through windows. Definitely unsettling. Imagine if the door had been unlocked. Stay safe, folks. In St. Louis, Missouri, this neighbor's dog went after some kids and their mom. Just a reminder, always keep your dog on a leash.
Get the dog off of him! Get the dog touching my feet. Oh my God. Get the dog! Who dog is it?
In Hamden, Connecticut, this guy stole a license plate right off the homeowner's car.
What are you trying to do?
What happened?
Come back.
What happened?
Trying to break in my car.
Thieves
Oh my
can use
God.
stolen plates to make clone vehicles, so always keep an eye on your ride. In St. Louis, Missouri, these guys stole dog food. Yep, they'll take anything they can get their hands on.
What's up, dude? What do you need?
I was wondering if you could call a taxi for me and my friend. We were walking and some guys tried to, I don't know, harm us. I just need a taxi so we can walk back home. And you're
You want me to call the cops for you?
not a cop, just a taxi, if that's okay.
No, it's 2 in the morning, bro. I'm not gonna be going outside.
I need to go outside, just call a taxi to the address. If that's okay.
So I'll call the cops for you.
No, please don't do that. I'll walk in. I don't need, I just needed a taxi, but okay, thank you.
You got it.
In Green Bay, Wisconsin, this woman climbed the fence, tried the doorknob, and tried to enter the home.
Hi.
Is she running from someone?
Being recorded.
Or just up to no good? In San Antonio, Texas, this DoorDash driver delivered the food, snapped a pic, and then took it back. But the guy behind her caught on and told her to return it. Bold move. In Columbus, Ohio, the homeowner woke up at 6:15 a.m. to someone yanking out their landscaping edging, cedar wood with metal spokes, and slamming it against the truck window trying to break in. When the homeowner yelled out the window and called the cops, the guy pulled out a weapon. Folks, keep an eye on your property. CPD says they're charging anyone caught trying to break into vehicles with robbery. In Fort Worth, Texas, here's another porch pirate, bold as ever, stealing in broad daylight. In Oshkosh, Wisconsin, this man shows up at 1 o'clock a.m. and covers the doorbell camera. Definitely seems like he's up to no good.
Oh, hi, sir. I'm not a bad person. Can I ask you a question? All right.
In Billings, Montana, nearly at midnight, this stranger walks off with a scoop tool the homeowner had left outside. The roommate didn't even notice it was gone. Guess the tool's got a new owner now.
Hi. I was next door.
In Linden, New Jersey, this guy's trying every door, whether it's a car or a home. Looks like he's on the hunt for something. In Billings, Montana, someone tried to break in after the homeowner left for work. Guess it's just that season for degenerates. Be safe out there, folks. In Greenville, South Carolina, these porch pirates are really going out of hand. And it seems like the police department isn't doing much to stop them. What's going on here?
Hey, bring that back. I don't care if you need it or not, we need it too.
one right here.
Well, then you only need that one.
In St. Louis, Missouri, this man shows up at the door claiming his friend is lost.
Can I help you?
Hi, are you a renter of Rick's?
Of Riggs?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I think you have the wrong address.
Can I ask your landlord's name?
Ian? Yep.
Ian? Does he
No.
live on the property?
If your friend's lost, maybe just give them a call. It's way too cold to be wandering around. And seriously, lock your doors, folks.
Have a nice night. Don't mean to disturb you.
In Oshkosh, Wisconsin, this is a pretty unsettling incident. Someone rings the doorbell late at night asking to use the phone or Wi-Fi. After midnight? Yeah, not a great idea to be knocking on doors.
What's up?
I was just to see if I could use your phone, or if I could use your
No.
Wi-Fi.
No.
Wi-Fi.
Sorry.
Thank you.
In Hollywood, Florida, this woman tries to enter a stranger's house. Yeah, she's definitely at the wrong house.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Open the door, please. I'm outside. It's locked. It's locked. Call. Yes.
Back in St. Louis, Missouri, here's another sneaky porch pirate doing their thing. You know the drill. Keep an eye on your packages, folks.
Hey, sir.
What are you doing?
Hey, Judge.
You need to put this shit
down.
Put this shit son.
Here. Okay.
I'm gonna let the dogs out.
I did. I put it down, brother. I just ain't monkey. I just ain't monkey, sir.
Set a people's porch pool.
Alright, people, I heard.
In Eau Claire, Wisconsin, this guy in a towel is running from someone. Maybe the cops? What do you think? Comment below. In Chicopee, Massachusetts, seems like you can't even leave decorations out anymore without someone messing with them.